budgeting cycle and the master budget cycle. Kailan ba magbabudget? Kung bukas na ba ang operation saka pa lang mag-budget? Usually, before the start of the fiscal year, managers at all levels take into account the company's past performance, market feedback, and anticipated future changes to initiate plans for the next period. Okay? So, pwedeng maging start ng budget mo yung nakaraan na performance, no? Magkano ba ang sales nung nakaraan? 100,000 units. O yan, baka balak mong dagdagan yan, gawin mo 120, no? E paano kung merong recession, walang masyadong bumili kasi walang kapera para mga tao, ibaba mo ng less than, no? Maging 80,000, ganon. Okay? At pwede rin naman na baka lang kulang sa promotion, so gawa ka ng maraming strategy to advertise. Okay? Managers and management accountants work together to develop plans for the company as a whole and the performance of its subunits, such as departments or division. Okay? And at the beginning of the fiscal year, senior managers give subordinate managers a frame of reference, a set of specific financial or non-financial expectation against which will compare actual results. Nung nagtrabaho ako sa trading, no? Trading ng mga duplicators and their spare parts and supplies, meron kaming target yan class na ilan ba ang mabebenta namin na machines, no? Mga duplicators. At ilan na spare parts or magkano spare parts and supplies. So kung mabit namin yon, meron kaming bonus. Kung hindi namin mabit, usually ang nagpapaliwanag, our manager has to justify bakit hindi namin na-meet yung target. Wala kaming bonus, walang additional na reward sa aming team. Ganon. So, yun ang karaniwang ganyan, no? Frame of reference. And then, during the course of the year, no? Kasalukuyan na, management accountant helps managers investigate any deviations from the plans, no? Meron bang not going according to plan? Yan yung deviation. Unexpected decline in sales, no? Halimbawa, in-expect mo na nakabenta ka na ngayon ng e-bike na 500 units kasi matatapos na ang first quarter. E paano kung 200 units lang nabenta mo? Ano kayang dahilan? Ay, may lumabas kasi na bagong kalaban, no? Mas magandang e-bike. So, you have to do something. Okay? Baka pwede mo namang dagdagan ng product features. Lagyan mo ng paglagyan nila ng groceries nila para ma-attract silang bilhin yung e-bike mo. Or baka naman mataas masyado yung price, you have to reduce. Or you have to cut costs to maintain profitability. Okay? And then, yan yung tinatawag nating ongoing budget-related processes, no? You can always adjust your budget or tatawag dyan ay fine-tune your budget as you operate, no? As you produce your products or as you do your business. At ang tawag dyan, no, ay master budget. The working document at the core of this process is called the master budget. It expresses the management operating and financial plans for a specified period, usually a fiscal year. And it includes a set of budgeted financial statements. Yan. So, magsisimula ka sa sales, hanggang sa umabot ka sa FS, hanggang parang cash to cash yan. Okay? Mula sa paggastos mo ng cash hanggang mabawi mo yung cash at hopefully mas malaki ang cash na bumalik. Okay? So, tayo, no? Advantages and challenges of implementing budgets. Ayan, given na rin dito, no? Up to you to read, no? Promote coordination, framework for judging performance, and motivate managers and other employees. Ayan. So, ano bang nagagawa ng budget? It's coordination, no? Coordination is matching and balancing all aspects of production or service and all departments in a company in the best way for the company to meet its goals. Yan. communication is making sure all employees understand those goals. So, hindi enough na alam mo na at mayroon ng budget, ay okay na, no? As a manager, you need to always remind your employees, your staff, that this is what to be done, no? Kaya nga sa accounting, meron ding tinatawag na reporting, di ba? Hindi dahil alam mo na yung journal entries, nag-posting ka na, nag-trial balance, gumawa ka ng FS, and then sinabi mo, tapos na. Hindi, no? You have your FS, you have to explain, you have to report. Kaya mag-practice ka ding mag-istorya, no? Huwag mong laging ilaban na the numbers speaks for themselves, no? I-explain mo na para hindi na sila mahirapan. Kung may tanong pa sila, sagutin mo na rin. Okay? Okay, so may mga challenges, ganyan. But we go now to the development of an operating budget. Yan. Budgets are typically developed for a set period. Pwedeng isang buwan, 1 quarter, or a year. At pwede mo pang i-subdivide yan sa ilang periods, no? Kagaya pagka 12-month cash budget, pwede mong gawin yan na monthly. Okay? Kaya magiging 12. Para may cash inflow and outflow ka every month. Yan. Time coverage of budgets. Yan. So, gaano ba katagal yung isang fund? Kagaya dito, no? Yung mga mahilig sa motor. Ito, actually, mahilig din ako sa motor. Pero ngayon, tricycle na lang kasi ang dinadrive ko, no? Yan. Pero why not kung magkaroon tayo ng Harley, Harley Davidson 500cc, ikarera mo sa NLEX, huwag ka lang matikitan, no? At mag-ingat kasi siyempre ang motor ay delikado. It's ay sinasabi na flying coffin daw yan. Okay? So kung if the purpose of is to budget for the total profitability of this new model, a 5-year period, tingnan nyo or more may be suitable and long enough to cover the product from design to manufacturing, sales, and after-sales support. Yan. Kasi magsimula yan sa R&D, okay? And then pag may prototype na, gagawin nyo, testing sa market kung magustuhan nila, and then full-blown ka na mag-produce, then magbenta. Hindi lang kapag nabenta mo tapos na, meron ding after-sales, yung meron kang warranty, di ba? Yung kagaya ng washing machine namin, nakalagay doon sa kanyang harapan, no? 5-year warranty on motor. Kalain mo yon. Kahit masira ko yung kanyang motor ng within 4 years or within 5 years at hindi ko naman sinasabi na sinobrahan ko yung paggamit, no? May kwan din kasi yan, may terms din yan, no? They will replace yung motor niya or they will tell us na ay matibay yan, kaya niyang mag-last hanggang 5 years, ano? Pero kapag budgeting for a seasonal theater production, yung may mga palabas, ganyan, at expected to run for a few months, yan ay igsihan mo lang, 6-month period lang, hindi ka abutin ng taon. Okay? Pero most frequently, okay, pag tinanong kayo, ano ba ang budget usually ay within 1 year, okay? 12-month period. At pwede mong i-subdivide yan into quarters and months. Yan. Okay? So, yan ang kapag tinanong kanila, ano ba yung most frequent na haba o gaano ba katagal yung isang budget, usually 1 year yung coverage. Okay? 1 year. Then, meron din tayong tinatawag na rolling budget. Yan yung hindi na ubos. Okay? Pag natapos yung isang buwan or isang taon, gagawin mo na naman yung dugtong niya na budget. Okay? Kaya tinatawag na rolling. Hindi maubos yan. Okay? Yan ang tinatawag nilang may forever, no? Sa budgeting. Yan.